Have you ever walked out to your cucumber patch on a hot summer afternoon and found the vines drooping like they've given up? The leaves hang limp, the flowers fall off before turning into cucumbers, and the fruit that does grow often becomes small, misshapen, or bitter. Most gardeners see this and immediately reach for more water. They water again, then they water even more. But what if I told you that water isn't the real problem? In fact, many gardeners accidentally destroy their cucumber harvest every summer because they're solving the wrong problem. The real culprit is heat stress, and the solution isn't another fertilizer, another spray, or another expensive garden product. It's shade, a very simple shade trick that experienced gardeners have quietly used for years. Today, I'll show you exactly why this works, how to set it up in less than an hour, and why it can dramatically increase your cucumber production during the hottest months of summer. Let's get started. When cucumbers first begin growing in spring, they love full sunlight. The temperatures are mild, the soil stays cool, the plants can comfortably use all that sunlight to produce energy. But summer changes everything. By June and July, especially during heat waves, the afternoon sun becomes brutal. Many gardeners assume that more sun automatically means more cucumbers. Unfortunately, cucumber plants don't always agree. When temperatures climb into the upper 80s and 90s, cucumber vines begin entering survival mode. Instead of focusing on producing flowers and fruit, they start focusing on staying alive. This is what gardeners often call vine fatigue. You may notice the leaves wilting in the afternoon even when the soil is moist. You may notice flowers dropping. You may notice fewer female flowers developing. And eventually, harvests begin shrinking. The strange thing is that many gardeners respond by watering more. But here's the problem. Water alone cannot cool overheated leaves. Imagine standing outside in direct summer sunlight. Drinking more water helps, but if you're still standing under the blazing sun, you'll continue overheating. Plants experience something very similar. Their roots may have plenty of moisture, yet the leaves continue suffering under intense heat and ultraviolet exposure. This is why many cucumber patches struggle, even when gardeners water faithfully every day. Now, let's talk about a fascinating lesson from nature. Wild cucumbers and many related plants evolved in environments where they weren't constantly exposed to scorching overhead sun. Think about a forest edge. Think about woodland clearings. Plants often receive filtered sunlight rather than relentless direct exposure all day long. Nature provides periods of shade. The ground stays cooler. Moisture lasts longer. The environment remains more stable. This is the blueprint smart gardeners borrow. Instead of forcing cucumber plants to endure extreme summer conditions, they create a gentler microclimate. Not deep shade, not darkness, just enough protection to remove the worst part of the afternoon heat. And that's where the shade trick comes in. Before we discuss installation, there's another important reason shade matters: bitterness. Have you ever harvested a cucumber that tasted unusually bitter? Many gardeners blame the variety, but environmental stress often plays a major role. When cucumber plants become severely stressed from excessive heat and sunlight, they can produce higher levels of compounds called cucurbitacins. These compounds contribute to bitter flavors. The more stressed the plant becomes, the greater the chance of unpleasant fruit quality. This means heat stress doesn't just reduce quantity, it can reduce quality too. Now let's get practical. What kind of shade works best? One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is creating too much shade. Remember, cucumbers still need sunlight. They are not shade-loving plants. The goal is to filter intense sunlight, not eliminate it. This is why many successful growers use shade cloth rated around 40 to 50%. That level allows plenty of light to reach the plants while reducing the harshest summer intensity. Think of it like sunglasses for your cucumber patch. The plants can still see, they can still work, but they aren't being blinded by extreme conditions. Installing shade cloth is surprisingly simple. You can use stakes, hoops, garden arches, or lightweight frames. Position the cloth above the plants rather than directly touching them. This creates an insulating airspace. That air gap is extremely important. Without airflow, humidity can become trapped, and trapped humidity encourages fungal diseases. The goal is cooler temperatures with good ventilation, not a sealed greenhouse. Even a few inches of air circulation can make a major difference. Now here's the part many gardeners get wrong. You don't necessarily need shade all day. Morning sunlight is incredibly valuable. The cooler temperatures allow cucumber plants to photosynthesize efficiently. Many gardeners benefit most by protecting plants during the hottest afternoon hours. Generally speaking, the period between noon and late afternoon is where the damage occurs. That's when leaves overheat. That's when soil temperatures spike. That's when flowers experience the most stress. By reducing heat during this critical window, the plants maintain energy and continue producing. And this is where the harvest increase begins. Let's compare two cucumber plants. Plant number 1 grows in full summer sun all day. Plant number 2 receives filtered afternoon shade. The first plant spends much of its energy surviving heat stress. The second plant spends more of its energy producing flowers and fruit. Week after week, those differences accumulate. More flowers remain attached. More female blossoms become cucumbers. More fruit reaches harvest size. The result can be surprisingly dramatic. Many gardeners report harvests that continue steadily through periods when unprotected plants begin slowing down. The secret isn't that shade magically creates cucumbers. The secret is that shade prevents the plant from shutting down. Consistency produces abundance, and cucumbers love consistency. There's another major benefit most gardeners overlook: water savings. When soil remains cooler, moisture evaporates more slowly. That means the root zone stays hydrated longer. You may find yourself watering less frequently while maintaining healthier plants. This becomes especially valuable during drought conditions or periods of water restrictions. Instead of constantly fighting evaporation, you're helping the soil hold moisture naturally. The shade cloth works together with your watering efforts rather than forcing water to do all the work alone. Now let's talk about July and August. These are often the toughest months for cucumber growers. The heat can become relentless. This is when maintaining your shade system matters most. Check the supports regularly. Make sure strong winds haven't loosened the cloth. Inspect for tears or sagging areas. Keep airflow open around the sides, and continue monitoring plant health. If temperatures remain extremely high, the shade system may become the difference between an exhausted cucumber patch and a productive one. Many gardeners also notice an unexpected bonus. Certain insect pests become less aggressive when the environment is physically disrupted by shade cloth structures. While shade cloth isn't a pest control solution by itself, it can create an additional layer of protection against some flying insects. Every small advantage helps during peak summer gardening. But perhaps the biggest lesson here has nothing to do with shade cloth. It's about mindset. Most gardeners are taught to force growth, add more fertilizer, add more water, add more products. Yet healthy gardens often come from creating better conditions rather than forcing results. Plants already know how to grow. Our job is to remove obstacles. When cucumbers receive adequate moisture, healthy soil, proper airflow, and protection from extreme summer stress, they naturally become more productive. Sometimes the smartest gardening move isn't adding something new, it's reducing the pressure plants experience every day. So if your cucumber harvest always seems to stall during the hottest part of summer, try this simple experiment. Protect a few plants with filtered afternoon shade. Leave a few exposed. Watch the difference for yourself. You may discover that the secret to bigger cucumber harvests isn't more effort. It's giving your plants a cooler, calmer environment where they can thrive. And once you see the results, you'll never look at summer gardening the same way again.